Hi beauties, I hope that you are well. I am doing a nail collab with Baby Girl Nails today. And as you can see, we are going to be doing a gender reveal. So I have her Instagram as well as her YouTube channel information on the screen. Please feel free to go over and subscribe and follow her if you aren't already doing. So how this nail collab works is that she's going to be doing the boy and I'm going to be doing the girl, and I'm using mainly Makartt products today with a few other charms and rhinestones as well. So to get started on this nail design, I have already applied foil glue and base gel to my nails, and now I'm just going in with this gorgeous pink glitter polygel for the Femi Beauty and Makartt collection. This is my first time using this color as well. It is such a stunning color. I'm just going to show you the name there on the screen. So I have my polygel brush and I've applied some isopropyl alcohol to this, and I'm now just going to pat this into place. And this polygel is just like butter. It is very smooth and easy to work with. So I definitely highly recommend you getting this kit if you haven't done so already. So I'm going to be doing a glitter French on my thumb. So once I have the polygel into place, then I'm going to go in with this glitter. This was from the Hooked in Love collection. It's a gorgeous mix and it has pink and blue in it, so that was very good. And then I'm going to go in with one of my favorite glitters from Charlie's Nail Art, which is called Gold Digger. Because this design that I'm thinking of is going to have some gold not rhinestones, but some gold elements in it, I needed something to tie in the gold. And that pink polygel from Femi's kit also has like a little bit of gold shimmer in it. So I felt like I needed to have something gold to tie this all in. So I'm just using a few of those gold hexagon sequins and just adding them onto a layer of base gel that I've already applied, but I haven't cured. Then once I'm done, I'm gonna go in and fill in the gaps with this glitter mix from Makartt. Also, if you are new to my channel, welcome to the Nail Fam. So glad that you've joined, and I hope that you enjoy all of these videos that I put together. I am going to be doing some future nail collabs with some other nail YouTubers, and I'm hoping to make this a more consistent thing, maybe a weekly thing if that is something that you guys would like. So make sure you stay tuned for next week, where I will be doing another nail collab with another nail YouTuber. So this nail is done, and I'm simply going to apply this directly onto my thumb, pressing ever so lightly. I don't want to have too many spillage into the cuticle area or to the side walls. And then I cure this under my UV lamp. Once I'm done curing for around 45 seconds, I'm going to flip my nail over. I'm going to apply some top coat just to protect that glitter and that polygel because it is a little bit sticky. And I'm going to cure this again. So moving on to my index finger as well as my middle and pinky finger, I'm just going to go in with a full cover of this gorgeous pink polygel. All right, so those nails are done. Now, unfortunately, my camera suddenly turned off on me and I wasn't able to capture the index, not the index, the ring finger that I'm doing now. So I have these little blocks that has letters on them, and I thought that they would look really cute because, you know, with kids in nurseries, there's usually like building blocks. And so I put those two in there along with some of the glitter from that Hooked on Love collection, as well as glitter Gold Digger from Charlie's Nail Art. So I just wanted to show you what I did for my ring finger. And I've applied a layer of base gel and flash cure that. So I'm going to go in with this cute little bear. This was in one of my AliExpress hauls. I got that from AliExpress. And I'm now going to apply some clear polygel to the entire nail. And then I'm going to attach this to my ring finger. So once I have this on my finger and I have my pinky finger done, I'm now just going to go in and grab my 100-180 file and just file around the cuticle area, file the top of the nail just to remove that little excess tab, and then I'm going to take my buffer and just buff to remove the surface shine of all of the nails. Once I'm done filing and buffing, I just grab an alcohol wipe and wipe it all down, remove any excess dust. And now I'm just going to go in with my Makartt base coat over these nails. Now, you could just go in with top coat if you aren't doing anything else to the nail. I'm not, but I could have skipped this base coat. I don't know why I still do it, because some of my subscribers have already told me that I just needed to apply top coat. So you don't necessarily need base coat unless you're doing some kind of design on the top of the nail as well. So let's move on to my index finger. So I have these cute, gorgeous, like holographic bears. These were also in my AliExpress haul, as well as these chains. Now, my idea for my index finger is that I want to create like balloons. You know, when you have like gender reveals, you have like these balloons and stuff. So I'm thinking the chain could be like the string for the balloon, and the bears can be like the helium balloons. That's the idea that I have in my head at this time. I wasn't sure that these chains are actually going to cut, but they actually did cut, and they were relatively easy. So that was great. So now for this finger, I'm not going to do any base gel. I'm just going to go straight in with the top coat, and I'm going to apply top coat to the entire nail, and then I'm going to cure this under my UV lamp for around 30 seconds. And then we're going to try to get these chains on to the nail. And firstly, I have to measure where the chain is going to end so that I know where to position these cute little bears on to the nail. I actually don't even know how I'm gonna actually get these chains to stay, still on this nail, because this top coat is pretty smooth. But anyway, we'll figure this out. I'll show you how I got to figure that out in the long run. So I have the chains in position. I now know where I need to stick my bear. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of my rhinestone gel, and then I'm going to stick that bear onto there and then cure this under my UV lamp for around 30 seconds. So after about 10-15 minutes trying to figure out how I'm going to do these chains, I had this rhinestone gel glue thing from an Amazon kit that I bought, and I was like, you know what, I could dip the chain in it and then I could apply it to the nail, because I was originally saying I was going to do base gel, but base gel is like so slippery, but this is so thick. This is a nice thickness. It's the same thing as the rhinestone gel that I have in the tube. But yeah, so this worked. I put these onto the nail and it didn't move. I was able to position these however I want. So because the chain ended up being slightly longer for some reason, I just kind of just used my little tweezer here and just kind of pushed it so it kind of like looks a little bit wavy, like, how balloons usually look. So that's how I was able to get that to work. So if you have some kind of this nail charm or nail decor that is a little bit more loose, just dip it into the gel and apply it to your nail. And that worked out really well for me. So as you can see, I'm doing the same thing for the second one, and I was able to get both of them on. I do apologize that my finger nail ended up getting into the way, but overall you can understand and see what I did here. Very easy to do, and it turned out super great. Okay, here is how she is looking. Now, I don't know. I feel like I want to add one more bear to this design right to the top here, because it's a little bit spacey there, but I actually want to have some confetti in the background, like a pop-up surprise. So I'm going to come back to that. So now let's move on to my ring finger, where I'll be putting this cute little pink bear, and I wanted to tie in gold with this as well. So I'm just going to add a little bit of base gel to that little blue bow in the center, and then I'm going to stick that gold blue rhinestone. No, it's not a rhinestone. Charm, rivet. You know what I mean? The gold bow onto the bear. And now, so for the other fingers, the middle finger as well as the pinky finger, I'm actually going to be writing on them. I don't have good handwriting skills when it comes to gel polish or even in real life. So try not to laugh. But yeah, so this for my index finger, for my middle finger, I'm just going to be writing it's a, and then I'm going to put a few dots. And then for the pinky finger, I'm going to write girl. So the whole thing is that it's a girl. We've got pretty pink, blue and pink kind of shimmery helium balloons. And we have a gorgeous little cute little pink bear in the center with a gold little bow and some building blocks. So I hope you can understand the different, the different elements that I'm trying to put into this nail, because it is a lot and I'm trying to be super creative. I've never done my nails like these before. I've never really used a lot of huge chunky charms. And since I did that AliExpress haul, like I've had an opportunity to really explore and be creative with this. And I'm very happy that I am pushing myself to do unique designs that I don't normally do, because I was actually afraid of, it's going to be too big. It's going to look childish. But it's so cute. Everything's just so cute. I love this little cute little bear. Okay, so after I've done all of that, and sorry for all the rambling, this is how the nails turn out. I am obsessed. I love these. I wish I would have done this for my own, for my own little gender reveal back in the day. But yep, this is how the nails turn out. I love them. I hope that I have done a good job on my girl side. Please hop over to Baby Girl Nails channels to see how the boy turned out, and I'll see you in my next video.